What if I tell you that you can create such awesome cinematic titles without spending hours on motion graphics and Fusion? I created all of that using the 350 plus cinematic title pack from EasyEdit. So thank you EasyEdit for sponsoring this video. And now the good news is that I'm giving away this pack for free. So just wait until the end of the video to know more about it. When EasyEdit approached me if I could partner with them, I was overjoyed because I know how much difficult and time consuming it is to design motion graphics and titles. With EasyEdit, you can do all that with just simple drag and drop. You can even check their website for even more plugins and templates, and the price is pretty cheap as well. Downloading the plugin is also super easy. Once you double click, it will automatically download it to the Davinci Resolve. You will be really surprised to see how much you can customize these titles and effects. Now every title you see in this video is created using this particular plugin. So once again, thank you EasyEdit for sponsoring this video. Now let me talk about the giveaway condition for this. It's very simple. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to this channel, and third, you have to comment EasyEdit cinematic title as mentioned here. And I'll be selecting one winner from them, and I'll be sending out this particular title pack to them. It's always good to have such amazing looking titles in your video to elevate your video to the next level. Without any sort of title, the video can become a bit boring. So it's always better to have title to especially to hook your audience. And EasyEdit, as the title suggests, it's very easy to edit as you just saw in this tutorial. It's just drag and drop and you don't have to create everything from scratch. So I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. Thank you all for watching. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next one.